Amazing, but it is true. In a bombing raid over Germany in March 1944, Flight Sergeant Nicholas Alcimade's plane was hit by a shell and caught fire. Alcimade jumped from the plane 18,000 feet off the ground without using a parachute. He landed unhurt and still conscious despite having traveled through the air as fast as an express train. His fall was broken by springy tree branches and drifts of deep snow. In 1975, an English clergyman, Geoffrey Howard, crossed the Sahara Desert from north to south. For the whole of the 1,200-mile journey, he pushed a wheelbarrow full of supplies. His journey took 3 months. The fastest descent of Everest was made by Erhard Lortan and Jean Trollet in 1986. They slid down 8,000 feet on their bottoms with just ice axes as brakes. This slide took 3.5 hours. In 1835, an Indian fakir was locked into a chest and buried under the ground. The chest was dug up 40 days later, and the fakir emerged alive and well. He seemed to survive by lowering his heartbeat and breathing rate to save energy. This is exactly what animals do when they hibernate in the winter. 8 white sharks have a terrible reputation for eating people, though very many of these stories are untrue. In 1829, however, fishermen caught a 22 feet shark off the coast of France. In its stomach, they found the body of a headless man in a complete suit of armor. Many people claim to have seen UFOs, means unidentified flying objects. In 1973, 2 men in the USA claimed they had been taken abroad a UFO by 3 aliens with no eyes. They were kept for 20 minutes while the aliens took photographs of them. A woman who played in a golf tournament in the USA in 1912 took 166 shots and 2 hours to get her ball into one hole. Her first shot landed in the river. She got into a boat and finally managed to hit the ball out of the water. Then she had to play through a wood. Most players reached the hole in just 4 shots. Its size, the tiny common flea can jump higher and longer than any other creature. It can do a long jump of about 33 centimeter. This is like a human jumping 4 soccer fields. A flea can also jump about 160 times its own height. This is equivalent to a human jumping on the top of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. In 1930s, a man called Cuda Books became famous for seeing blindfold. He could even read books blindfold. In 1945, he rode his bicycle through heavy traffic in New York City without bumping into anything. No one knows how he managed to perform this feat.